in LTE release 8, what is the maximum achievable downlink throughput when operating with 4x4 MIMO and a 20 MHz channel bandwidth? Okay, options are given. So now to discuss this question, first basic से start करते हैं, ठीक है? So as we know, let's recall or revise. So 2G जो है, that is what your GSM. Okay, GSM is 2G. Then we move to 3G where we got UMTS or HSPA, right? Then 3GPP releases the 8 version. So 3GP release 8 and that is your LTE. Okay, and then the 3GPP release 10 which is your LTE, that is LTE Advanced, right? And release 15 onwards we start with 5G. Okay, so for this revision point of view, now here basically what is the difference between release 8 and release 10 we will discuss. Okay, how the things are changing. But first, whenever 3GPP release 8 happen, okay, that is for LTE. So what happened? Okay, before that we need to understand basic concept. So whenever you are sending, again we will take same example, let's video call via WhatsApp. ठीक है, WhatsApp video call बनाते हैं. तो whenever we are doing WhatsApp video call to your friend, okay, from mobile, this is your mobile, okay, through LTE interface go to your tower, right? And from tower it's sent to the receiver where we want to send the data, your WhatsApp video, right? Now basically while sending, the most important factors are there or parameters are there, that is your bandwidth, how much bandwidth it carry. Okay, air interface whatever we are using, 3G, 4G, 5G, LTE, right? Then your data rate, okay, bandwidth, data rate, and MIMO, that is multiple input multiple output antennas, how many antennas we have, right? Now for release 8 LTE, the bandwidth is 20 megahertz. Means what? Very high bandwidth with very high data transfer. Okay, data transfer rate is 150 Mbps, very high speed. That's why we are getting very high speed for 4G LTE, right? Then MIMO antenna, so it supports 2x2 also and up to max 4x4 also. Now what is the meaning of MIMO antenna? So see, MIMO antenna means multiple input multiple output, means at transmitter side, if I take 2x2 example, then at transmitter side we have two antennas, at receiver side we have two antennas. Now what is the meaning of transmitter receiver in this case? This is your transmitter, that is your base station. Okay, this is your base station is transmitter, and receiver means your mobile, right? So 2x2 antennas we have, so because of which higher and faster data rate we got or data transfer we got. One more important thing, that is modulation technique. So which modulation we are using here? So it is using 64 QAM. Okay, 64 QAM. Now what is the meaning of 64 QAM? Means 2:6. Okay, so 2:6, nothing but 64 means we are sending 6 bit per signal. We are sending 6 bit per signal. Okay, like 0 0 1 0 0 1, like that. 6 bit 1 2 3 4 5 6, like that. Okay, so just remember this thing. And QAM is quadrature amplitude modulation, right? Because of which we are getting high speed in LTE. Okay, now for release 8 we discuss this thing, right? And I told you that it can support up to 4x4. Means what? At transmitter side I will put 4 antennas, at receiver side I will put 4 antennas. So obviously now I am doubling. Okay, earlier it was 2 antennas, 2x2, and now it is 4x4, 4 antennas. So I am double the things. Okay, that's why our data rate or data speed will also get double. Okay, and we can say maximum achievable download throughput will also get double. So earlier the specified limit by 150 Mbps, so it will get double, and now it will become 300 Mbps. Okay, so LTE with 4x4 antenna will have 300 Mbps speed or maximum achievable throughput. Okay, so that's why the answer for this question is 300 Mbps. Now important thing is that what is the difference between release 8 and release 10? Okay, so in LTE Advanced, that is release 10, we get 300 Mbps data rate. Okay, that's the basic. Means here the basic what 150 Mbps which is specified, और एडवांस के लिए स्पेसिफाई है 300 Mbps. ओके, मतलब सुपर हाई स्पीड वी आर गेटिंग हियर अगेन, राइट? उसके साथ साथ रिलीज 10 supports 8x8 MIMO antenna, means 8 antennas transmitter and 8 antenna receiver. ओके, तो बिकॉज ऑफ विच ओनली क्या हो रहा है, स्पीड बढ़ गया है मेरा. ठीक है, सो अप टू सपोर्ट होगा 4x4 4x4 तो बेसिक है एंड सपोर्ट मेरा करेगा 8x8 तक, ठीक है. वेयर एज इन LTE इट विल सपोर्ट अप टू 4x4 ओनली, ठीक है. तो इतनी चीज़ें आपको याद रखनी है, दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, एंड द आंसर फॉर दिस इज D. So again, lots of key points we cover in this. Okay, I told you the difference between LTA and LTA. Then we discussed the difference between this, right? Then I discussed with MIMO, then quadrature amplitude modulation 64 com, that we discussed the importance of that. Okay, the basic parameters you will remember for exam point of view. So lots of questions or MCQs you can get from this concept.